As part of the nationwide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, launched Swachhata Pakhawada on the 17th of September 2024. The two-week initiative aimed at promoting cleanliness and fostering a sense of collective responsibility across communities was inaugurated in DEPWD by the Secretary, Shri Rajesh Agrawal, by administering the Swachhata Pledge to all officers and employees. The campaign has successfully engaged multiple national institutes and composite regional centers under the department, emphasizing the need for sustained cleanliness efforts. In his address, Shri Agarwal emphasized, cleanliness is not just a campaign but our shared responsibility. Together, we must ensure that our surroundings remain clean, transforming this initiative into a mass movement. His call for action resonated strongly with all participants, setting the tone for the ongoing activities. Key highlights of the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign included the active participation of the National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Sikandarabad, which held a Swachhata Pledge ceremony on the same day. Staff and students came together to reaffirm their commitment to cleanliness and environmental sustainability, acknowledging the importance of maintaining cleanliness in their day-to-day lives. At the Ali Yavar National Institute of Speech and Hearing Disabilities, Mumbai, the institute took part in the Swabhav Swachhata Sanskar Swachhata campaign, a 15-day initiative beginning on the 14th of September and concluding on the 2nd of October 2024. This program, aimed at inspiring behavioral change and promoting cleanliness as part of the broader Swachh Bharat mission, involved participants from diverse backgrounds, including students, officials, individuals with speech and hearing impairments, and Bombay Municipal Corporation staff. The pledge taken by all participants reaffirmed their dedication to the campaign's mission of creating a cleaner and more hygienic society.